Hello, Dogecoin holders. How are you? Hope you're fine now. Dogecoin holders, what's going on? What's the price? What's the price changes occur in the Dogecoin? And we'll also discuss the future price of Dogecoin. Is in the future the price of Dogecoin will pump or not? We discuss all in this video, guys. So you have to watch this video complete, and after that, guys, hope you will get a huge profit. Hope you have a good profit after watching this video from Dogecoin, guys. So never miss any second this video. First of all, guys, if you are new in my channel, so subscribe now. Thank you so much for subscribing. Now, the right now price of Dogecoin in the market is about 0.247111 USD dollar, guys. And furthermore, you can see the last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week changes occur in the Dogecoin is going positive, guys. The changes is going upward very fast. I love these positive changes, guys. Anyways, let me show you the price chart of Dogecoin. You can see here, guys. Now the right now price of Dogecoin is going positive. That's very good for all of you guys that the price start pumping, guys, and I believe, guys, that for a long time Dogecoin will continue this pump. You can see here, and after this pump, now in the latest situation, guys, latest situation, just look here. The latest situation now, I think it is again beginning of pump, guys. So just wait for tomorrow, guys. Tomorrow the price will highly blow up. You know what, from October I noticed that Dogecoin is going upward slowly. So now the future, especially the October month of Dogecoin is 100% positive. I'm sure about that. So I recommend for all of you that just hold a Dogecoin to the last of October. Anyways, guys, what you think about Dogecoin prediction? Also share in the comment box and don't forget to subscribe channel.